Need to continue to later. Okay. Promoting your faith. Yes, grateful, blessed. Thank you. You're promoting my PayPal. 74, 75. Till I always come by on my own. I never really get into love with you. Abdul Rahman Arafat. Was time out? What did you say? Please do not comment bad words or inappropriate comment, guys. Choose me to the place. You can click view camera and you can say exactly what this is. Yeah, I can read, but I don't have time to read the bad comments. So just leave it. Thank you, Kev. Thank you so much, Kev, for cleaning my comment section. I have to go to work tomorrow. Ay, kailangan ko palang ano yung oras ko. Ba't ko yun ang binalik? I'm gonna charge my watch. Yes, here. You can see this one. And put here. This is the back. This is for the charger. So you can put like this. This one. Ay, sorry. This is for the charger, and you can put here, this here. This one, as you can see. So put like this one, and put like this, then clip. Okay, and that's it. And I can put charger. Put this here. Okay. Oh, that's maligtad. Okay. It's 2054. It's 23%. And they cannot use. If you are charging this, I can't use. So just finish charging before you use again. It's cute. Nice watch. How much price of the country? Oh, this is the 3,000 NT dollar, 3,000 New Taiwan dollar, because I buy this in Taiwan, here in Taiwan. I don't know how much it is in Philippines. In Philippines, maybe it's 5,000, more than 5,000. But in Taiwan, it's 3,000 more. Before. Yeah. It's good. You can receive some messages, calls, and other notification connected in your cell phone directly. So if someone's messaging you or calling you, you can receive here through your watch, used by Bluetooth. That's it.